We are bringing you an update here on our fast-changing weather this week. We've got a whole bunch of things heading our way, including possibly a little bit more snowfall a little later on, Connie.
Yeah, that's right. I was just happy to have the sunshine today, Mallory.
Oh, it's so nice. Yeah, definitely welcomed across Kentuckiana. We had sunshine for most of the day and temperatures warmed into the mid-40s. Our average high for this time of year is 49 degrees, so we were close to that December normal. Tomorrow we'll be close to that same temperature, but this temperature will likely occur, I'd say, around midday. Expect those temperatures to start to drop throughout the afternoon and then more so the evening. Highs on Thursday around 35, 40 Friday, mid-30s Saturday, and we are still looking at an Arctic plunge really by Sunday as that cold air really seeps in from the north. Highs on Sunday just in the 20s with overnight lows in the teens. And yes, the question is, do we have more snow on the way? We have rain on the way tomorrow morning, but as we tick along throughout the rest of the week, I'm paying attention now to Friday morning, and we did go ahead and issue a weather impact alert because we are expecting some impacts to your morning commute on Friday. This is the latest look at the weather model data. It's not too different from yesterday. Maybe totals have increased ever so slightly, but still looking at that sharp cutoff to the south of the Louisville Metro. That's the white gray color. That's less than an inch of snowfall. This light blue is about 1 to 2 inches around the Louisville I-64 corridor, and then off to the north, slightly higher amounts, 2-3 inches of snowfall possible in our northernmost counties. So that's weather model number 1. This is weather model number 2, and you'll notice they're pretty much in line with each other. Now, where this cutoff exactly falls, that's what's difficult, especially with these clipper systems that roll in from the northwest. Hard to really time them out and the exact placement, but just know that the highest snowfall will be to the north, lowest to the south, and we're going to continue to fine-tune this. Of course, we have a couple of days before that does fall. Satellite and radar, we were dry today. We had all that sunshine. Clouds will increase this evening. Temperatures are currently in the 40s, and they're not going to drop too much tonight. We're feeling a little bit of a breeze at times, but expect those winds to pick up. You can see here is your wind dial here. So that wind will be coming in from the southwest, gusting 25 to 35 plus miles per hour overnight and into the day tomorrow. Rain to start tomorrow. Temperatures will be in the 40s, so even though we could have a little bit of mix to the northeast, not expecting impacts there. As I mentioned, temperatures will drop throughout the day tomorrow, but we won't have a ton of moisture once that cold air catches up. So we could have some flurries, maybe some light snow showers tomorrow night, looking to amount to about a dusting there as temperatures drop near freezing, and we could have some lingering flurries for your Thursday. Otherwise, that better chance of snow late Thursday night into Friday morning. That's why we have that half red day there for your Friday morning commute, that weather impact alert. Cold air is on the way this weekend. Best snow chance on Saturday stays to our north, and then very cold air for all of us on Sunday. Once again, high temperatures fall into the 20s with overnight lows in the teens. We'll be right back after this break.